How's it going, everybody? My name is Jade Alton, and I'm here with the greatest machine ever created to talk to you about dirt bike sprockets. Now, personally, I chose to go with Renthal on this beautiful steed, but MotoSport.com offers a wide range of trusted brands and different price points for you to choose from. That means there's no reason for you to keep running your current set that's all shark-toothed out and ready to start throwing teeth. These things hold your life in their hands while you're riding, so they are not something to put off on replacing. Sprockets can also be used to adjust the power character of your bike by going up or down in teeth count. If you're riding some really tight tracks where top speed isn't as important as torque, you can try going up a tooth or two in the rear or down one in the front to give yourself a little more hit coming out of those corners. If you value top speed more, you can just try the opposite. Sprocket Swap can change the entire power character of your bike. Now, one last thing before you go. It is highly recommended that you change your chain at the same time as your sprockets if you want the maximum life out of both of them. Chains and sprockets wear together. They create their own patterns. So if you throw some fresh sprockets on with an old chain, they're both going to wear faster than if you replace everything at once. And of course, MotoSport.com makes it easy to get everything all at once with their chain and sprocket bundles. Please don't neglect your sprockets. Go take a look at your bike. If it's looking questionable, maybe you want to toss a set in your cart. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you out on the track.